Okay, hi buddies, happy Friday. I am excited that we've almost survived a whole week of this. Great work. We're going to get back into our data project today, and today we're going to be completing parts 3 and 4. So I'm going to run you through what that looks like. Here we go. Again, each day I need you to pop into Google Classroom and check out our e-learning slides for the day. This should sound very familiar at this point. You are going to see a message for the day, and then you're also going to go to the calendar and click on the calendar day, and that's going to bring you to your to-do list. You are responsible for everything, everything on your to-do list each day. This is all on your plate every single day. You've noticed that if you click through, there's a different to-do list for each day. This is your mandatory work for each day of our e-learning. So today is Friday, and this will all be complete by the time you work on it. I'm actually recording this Thursday night, so this will look much better once you're logged in on Friday. You are going to watch the Starbucks Data Project video parts. That's what you're watching right now. I had a ton of questions on Thursday asking lots of things. I love questions. That's what I'm here for. But I'm recording these videos so that you know what's going on. Watch the video every day so that you have an idea as to what's happening in e-learning for that given day. So today your responsibility is to complete parts 3 and 4 and in our Starbucks data project. Thursday, you should have completed parts 1 and 2. If you have not submitted that yet, that is missing work and that needs to be submitted immediately. You have to do parts 1 and 2 before you can move on to 3 and 4. So parts 3 and 4, you are going to be looking at all of the variation for your data set. Everyone selected some sort of data set to analyze, whether it be protein, calories, caffeine, or sugar. So within your data set, one of those columns, you are going to identify the minimum value. This is the 5 number summary. We studied this, I don't know, maybe lesson 16. Again, please refer back to our lesson slides or your book if you forget what any of these mean. So you're going to complete a 5 number summary on your data value or your data set, and you're going to find the minimum value, first quartile, median value, third quartile, and the maximum value. And then you're going to be looking at some measures of variation. You're going to list the range, or you're going to document the range for your data set. Also the IQR, the interquartile range for your data set. And then also your mean absolute deviation. Again, this is our test. Right now you're being tested on all the learning that you've done in the Orange Book. If you don't recall what any of this means, go back to your learning. Go back to your resources, summaries at the end of slides, or your book. Don't email me and ask me what the mean absolute deviation is. We learned this when we were in like physical school. So go back to your notes if you've forgotten. It's totally okay if you've forgotten, but make sure that you use your resources. I know that everyone knows what this is. Okay, and now part 4, you're going to graph your data set. You're going to make a dot plot for your data set that you selected. You're going to make a frequency table. You're just going to we studied frequency tables at the very, very beginning of the Orange Book. And then you're going to make a histogram that's based on your frequency table and a box plot. So lots and lots of work. This is your only responsibility for today. Watch the video and then do all this work. We have no exit tickets. I do want to note that, we have no new exit tickets, but I have been sending a lot of you feedback on past exit tickets that I would like for you to take another look at and resubmit. Now that we're in e-learning, we are doing multiple resubmissions on exit tickets just because I really want to make sure that you have that learning. Okay, cool. So enjoy, have fun. You're doing great work with this Starbucks data. Email me if you have questions. Keep up the great work. Back. Cal's here. Say hi. Cal, do you know what an interquartile range is?
What? You always hear me and need the 4, 5, and 12. 12.
I remembered one thing with the graphs, friends. You can make the graphs on the computer, or you can draw them like on a piece of paper. This is paper. You can draw them on a piece of paper and take a picture and send it to me.
Yeah, so, you know you're always here in my life.
So you can make your graphs on the computer and send them via electronically, or you can draw your graphs on paper and take a picture and send them to me. Decide and do whatever works best for you. Sounds like a good plan?
Yeah.
Okay, see you later.